Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this situation. You are rescue pilot flying over the ocean. Your base sends you a message. Fly at 300 kilometer per hour for 2 hours. That is it's no direction, no bringing the angle. Now ask yourself honestly, where do you need end up? North, south, in circles, the information is incomplete. Now, here the scariest part. If physics help, the mistake student may come from missing direction. They calculators part perfectly calculate perfectly. They use the right formulas and still get the wrong answer. Why? Because they don't understand the difference between a scalar and vector. This is the vector, the difference that change everything. Today I will show you why some quantities are simple and other are dangerous if misunderstood. Anyway, why vector are the backbone of all physics. If you understand this video deeply, motion, force, and even electromagnetic will suddenly make sense. Let's begin. Physics is not about equation. First, physics is about measuring realities. Then you describe the world. We measuring this thing. How much, how long, how fast, how much, how long, if, which direction. Some of these measurements are simple numbers. Other are numbers without instruction attached. That is actually where scalar and vector come in. Definition: a scalar quantity is a physical quantity that has only magnitude, and magnitudes simply means how much. No direction, no organization, just a number and a unit. The highlighting scalar magnitudes only. Everyday scalar example. Let's look at common scalar. Mass 5 kg, temperature 30 seconds, time 10 seconds, speed 60 seconds, kilometer per hour, energy 100 joule. Ask yourself, doesn't mass need a direction? Doesn't temperature point somewhere? No. That why scalar are simple and safe. Why scalar are easy to work with. Scalar follows ordinary arithmetics. Example: 5 kg equal 10 kg. 10 seconds plus 20 seconds equal 30 seconds. And simple calculation style. No geometry, no angle, no error. This simplicity is actual why students feel uncomfortable with a scalar. But physics doesn't stop here. The now things get insecure. Now things get secure definition. A vector quantity has magnitude, direction, both are equal importance. The vector equal magnitude plus direction, and if either one is missing, the information is incomplete. The y direction change everything. Let's say I tell you walk 10 meters. Y direction change everything. Change everything. Let's say I tell you walk 10 meter. That not enough. But if I say walk 10 meter east, not you now. Actually, where you are, that a vector, common vector. Example, some of most important quantities in physics are vector: displacement, velocities, acceleration, force, momentum. Notice something, all of them describe change or influencer. Physics use vector whenever direction affect the outcome. How do we respect vector graphically? Vector are don't us error, length, magnitude, error and direction. Visually or growing longer and relating. A long error, bigger magnitude. A different angle equal different direction. And mathematical tool. 4-point mathematical tool. Vectors are written as bold letter V or without error V. Scalar use normally letter. This the directions is critical in equation scalar versus vector. The real difference. Let's compare the most confusing pair. Distance versus displacement. Distance scalar, total path length, no direction, always positive. Example, you walk 5 meter east and 5 meter west, distance 10 meter. Displacement vector, shortcut, straight line, change included direction, some work. Displacement 0 meter, usually path animations versus strength error, and some motions. Different answer. Speed versus velocity. How fast something move, no direction. Speed 16. Example, 16 meter. Speed 60 meter. 60 kilometer. Example, speed equal 60 kilometer per hour. Velocities vector. Speed with direction. Velocity 60 kilometer per hour north, and speed meter versus error with compare. Two car can have some speed, completely different velocities. 4th point, inner to vector addition, scalar and normally 5 kg plus 5 kg equal 10 kg. No problem. Vector Do not add normally. Let's say you walk 5 meter east and then 5 meter north. Total distance not 10 meter, not equal 10 meter. You one direction to add vector, you use the tip to tail method. Tip to tail method. Usually error place to tail forming the diagonal. The result is a new vector. Different magnitude, different magnitude, different direction. This is why vector math use geometry, and this is actually why vector scare student. But don't worry, I will break this down, this down step by step in the next video, and calculation why this matter. Let's log this in. Key takeaway. Usually bullet point inspire by one scalar have only magnitude. Vector have magnitude and direction. A scalar are added using arithmetic vector required geometry, motions and force. Connect excited without vector. If you understand a scalar and vector kinematics, because logical Newton's law, because clear physics stop feeling like monetization. This topic is the fundamental of all classification physics and call to action. This is video help you, and like it, hit the subscribe button, and structured physics learning and in the next video I will master vector addition step by step, no confusing, no shortcut, and pure understanding. See you there, and hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.